Hello, it's Paul here from PNUK Training. A quick how to get a free certificate for Zoho projects for a new user. Maybe you need it for interview, or your boss has told you to go learn about Zoho projects. How to get a certificate and the training. It's all free. Go to pnuk.co/Zoho projects. This will bring you to the Zoho forum on my website, where you can sign up for Zoho, web places to log in, training courses and things like that. And at the bottom here, you see Zoho projects, new user certification. All you've got to do is take this one lesson. When it's complete, you get your certificate. The certificate is free. There's an option to pay if you can afford $5, or maybe if you've done 3 or 4 certificates, pay for one of them. It does help keep the platform running and help me with a few costs. It is free though, so enroll for free. Continue with email or login if you've already got a Teachable or account. I've obviously been playing. Now, whatever you put in here will show on your certificate, so it's probably best to put your full name. You don't have to. I certainly don't need your name. What we're going to do, test 1304 pnuk.com, add a password and sign up. You will go to the lesson. It'll say thanks first, I think. Start your course. It is just one lesson. Start the lesson. Once you've watched the video, browse through it. Here's the lesson times. There's a link to the forum that we've just come from. If you've got any more questions, fire into the forum. If there's anything more that you want to learn, dive into the training that's provided. Again, it's all free. But once you've watched this video, all you've got to do is complete and continue. You'll get some fireworks, and when they stop, you can download your certificate, and there is your certificate of graduation. Zoho Projects new user. Good luck in the job interviews. Good luck just upping your skill level. Hope that we've helped a little bit. Anything else you need, let us know. You know where we are, pnuk.com. The Zoho training is at the Zoho One experience, z1exp.com. But all the links from pnuk.com get you there as well. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon. Paul, PNUK Training Punk out.